What's up, fam? I would like to introduce myself. My name is Asen Venci. I study neuroscience and mechanical engineering at the University of Texas at Austin. This is where I met Raj and learned about the importance of happiness, which led me to create the website for the course. As such, I will be guiding you through the various happiness activities. To begin any activity, you first want to make sure you are logged in. If this is your first time on the website, you can sign up with any valid email address. After signing up, we will send you an email to authenticate your account. You can pause this video now and continue after you have created an account and authenticated it. Thanks for logging in. Logging in gives you great benefits like saving the activities, making an entry, and viewing your progress. Once logged in, to participate in any activity, hover over the appropriate activity image and click the Start button. After you complete an activity, you will also see that you can make an entry, and after making an entry, you'll be able to view your progress. Now, without further ado, the first happiness activity is journaling. Journaling is a foundational happiness activity. Why? Because journaling allows you to keep track of your happiness levels and, most importantly, helps you reflect on why certain experiences occurred the way they did. Understanding the why allows you to achieve psychological closure and gravitate towards greater happiness. Now that you understand the benefits of journaling, let me show you how to do this activity. Once you hit continue, you will see a pop-up where you need to check the boxes to promise to remain diligent and open-minded in doing this activities. To help you stay diligent, we recommend you sign up for email reminders because they are a great nudge and trigger element that will help you develop the habit of making the entries. These emails will allow you to navigate directly towards making a journal entry. Pick the time of day that works best for you. For example, I wind down at around 9:30, so that's the perfect time for me to reflect about my day's events. After checking the boxes, hit submit. For the course, you'll make an entry every day for the next 4 weeks. You're encouraged to keep making entries after the course is over. We promise we'll keep all your entries completely confidential. Each journal entry involves 3 simple components. First, a title. Try to make this a one-liner that recaps the day. For example, finally finished journaling code, or road trip to Austin. Note that this component is optional, and it's usually easier to think of a title after doing the other 2 components. Next, the 3 meaningful experiences. Here, you will reflect on your 3 most meaningful events for the day and why they happened. The experiences you write about can be anything that caught your attention, anything that evoked a strong emotional response, or anything that gave you insights about yourself. As you can see, I chose the experience of finally getting the code for the happiness graphs done. I wrote about my frustration and realized the struggle came from thinking with a closed mind. I learned that my coding breakthroughs occur when going on a walk because nature opens up my thinking process. And finally, the last component is your happiness score for the day. After you make an entry, you are taken to the View Progress page. Here, you can view your previous entries by these different time periods. You can also order them by date or happiness score. You can also download all your entries for the time period selected in a PDF. To view the entry, simply click on the title. You can also download the individual entry you are viewing. Another great feature is the happiness graph. Here, you can see how your happiness levels are fluctuating over different time periods. Looking at my graph, I realized I have higher happiness levels Mondays and Tuesdays than any other weekday. To better understand why, I went to my entries. Simply looking at a glimpse of my entries, I noticed those are the days I run and meditate after walking with my dad. This simple process helped me prioritize the happy experiences of running, meditating, and most importantly, spending time with my dad. 4 weeks after you begin the journaling activity, you'll receive an email from us with a link to a report you'll need to fill out by answering some questions. After doing the report, you can download a PDF and keep it for your records. To summarize, journaling is a foundational happiness activity because it helps you understand the why, achieve psychological closure, and prioritize happiness inducing experiences. Alright, fam, that's it for this activity. I look forward to seeing you in the next activity. Until then, happy journaling. Cheers.